guys, it's Rachel and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually partnering with FabFitFun to show you guys their winter box. I'm so excited because I've actually never received a FabFitFun box before, so this is my total first impression. I haven't looked in the box yet. I even tried to avoid watching other people's unboxings as well as all the ads I've been getting for them because I really just want like a pure first impression. So if you guys don't know the drill, FabFitFun releases a box every single season. They are priced at $49.99. But you can get $10 off your first box with my coupon code. It's just RACHSPEED when you go to checkout, and this one is the winter box. So I'm so excited to see what they think are like my essentials for winter. Each box is personalized to you, so these are the things that they think that I would like. I don't know, we're going to have to see what it's like. So I haven't even seen like the box or anything yet. I know it's blue and that's pretty much all I know. So you get over $200 worth of things in here for only $49.99, so I feel like it's a really good deal. Another thing I love about it is because you guys know I'm all about self-care and treating yourself, and I think this is a nice little treat to get every single season. So excited for this. Ooh. So this is the box. Really, really pretty, guys. Look. Oh my gosh, so excited. So I'm just gonna open up what's here. Okay, let's go. Ooh. So this is how it came. Pretty. So it has a magazine with Brooke Burke on it. She's like mom goals, am I right? Oh, that's exciting. Okay, so $60 off of HelloFresh is the first thing that came in the box. It's a $6 gift card, not even $6 off, just $6 gift card. That's awesome. That's pretty dope. So that's like worth more than the whole box in general, which is amazing. I've used HelloFresh before, so I know that we will use this for sure. Another thing is, oh, redeem this gift card for $10 off your first FabFitFun box. Oh, and you can give this to a friend. So you can give your friend $10 off. So it's almost like you have a coupon code as well. Now we're gonna open up. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, this is actually really cool. So the first thing in here is from Anthropology. It is the Coconut Sugar Sea Whip Body Cream. Smell it. And I like put coconut oil on myself like every single day, so this is actually really amazing. It's so pretty, right? The next thing in here is from Thrive Cosmetics, and it is an eye brightener highlighting stick. I feel like this would be really good for all skin types too. I think that's really smart of them. Pretty with Thrive. Thrive has sent me things before and I really like their stuff, so this is nice. Ooh, it's just like very subtle. Nice. Okay, and then the next thing I have here is from Ahava. I'm probably going to give this to my grandmother because my grandmother is like a big Ahava fan. Really, really cool. They're a good brand. I first heard about them actually from YouTube, so I feel like I've come full circle. So you get this little Ahava hydration cream mask. So you put this on your face, keep it on for a little bit, and then you should be all moisturize. I know they have really good products too. Like, it's kind of cool that I recognize all these brands so far. So this is from Black. These are eye masks with hyaluronic acid. So I guess you could put these under your eyes. This would be a good thing to put on for the airplane. Lily Sadoe. This circle necklace is the perfect introduction piece for every woman. Oh, so you get a whole piece of jewelry in here. Oh, jewelry, you got a little bit of everything. Ooh, this is cool too. Wow, you get a lot of stuff in here. Okay, cool. Okay, so you get a makeup palette. One of the shadows was actually broken in this, but like not too broken, like I could probably fix it. I love the colors in this. It's very, very natural, and yeah, excited to try this out. What is this?
It's like a frisbee.
Oh, because I guess it's a Brooke Burke like is on the cover, so maybe this is her product. So it's Fab, Fit, and Fun. So this is, I guess, the fit part. Oh, I know exactly what these are. I really wanted these. These are the sliders. So like, you know, you put them on the ground and then you can like do your lunges with them.
Oh, that's dope.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
I really wanted so cool. These. Thank you, Brooke. And we have two more things in here. The first thing is from Bear Paw. Ooh, oh. So they're the little gloves, so you can put these on. Ah, I see. And then the last thing here is from Mark and Graham, and this is a blanket, I believe. Very neat. Let's open it up. Okay, so Oh, this is so nice. You know what this is nice for too? It's good for travel. A nice little blanket or scarf. I think it's a blanket, but to some people this may be a scarf. Cool. So guys, just kind of ending the video a little bit here. This is everything I got in the FabFitFun winter box. Is it worth it for the price? I think so, because you definitely get a lot of products. You get to try out a lot of products and stuff like that. Definitely a few new things to incorporate into my videos and all that. And it's really exciting kind of getting a little gift for yourself. Again, I'm gonna have all the details in the description box below. And thank you again for FabFitFun for partnering with me on this video. I'm excited to stay cozy all winter because I live in Canada and yeah, it gets really cold here. But with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little first impression / unboxing, and I'm gonna go, but I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.